Trying to watch a video during a phone call on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, but playback suddenly stops or refuses to start? Many users notice videos freezing, audio not playing, or apps behaving differently whenever a call is active. Sometimes the screen works normally until the call begins, while other times media apps pause automatically and never resume during conversations. This issue can happen because of audio routing settings, app permissions, call related sound controls, or temporary software interruptions. Whether you are trying to watch videos, stream content, or play media while staying on a call, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore video playback on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra properly. 1. Restart the Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra to refresh audio and background media services properly. 2. Check the phone audio settings and confirm media volume stays enabled during calls. 3. Close the video app completely and reopen it while remaining connected to the call. 4. Update the media app and phone software to help improve playback compatibility. 5. Test another video app during a call to confirm whether the issue affects only one application.